Hey, what's up guys? Soldier Knows Best here. Now, if you haven't been following me on social media, I am in Berlin, Germany for IFA, a really big tech show. And I'm going to be bringing you some more coverage if you haven't been watching my coverage on social media on YouTube, so stay tuned for that. And this first video, I just wanted to focus on a product that really kind of stole my eye at this show, and that is the second generation yoga book, or the official name is the yogabook C930. But anyway, this is a follow-up to the first gen, which I did make a video on, where it's a kind of a laptop, tablet, and everything in between. And this year, they just kind of fixed all the things that I didn't like with the first version, just made it better. And so the biggest change for me is that for the secondary display, they went with e-ink. So this just allows the keyboard to be better, more responsive. And also you can switch languages on the fly with the keyboard, and it has a very nice animation when you're pressing down on the keys. And also the keyboard itself is going to be bigger, so you can have more space. And it's not going to be feeling anywhere near a traditional keyboard, but for something with a very slim profile like this, is the best way to go. And so you can switch to a couple of different modes on the secondary display. You can switch to one where you can use the included stylus to be able to draw and write and sketch up things and mark up things if you wanted to. And then also you can switch to one which makes it more like an e-reader, so you can be able to pull up magazines and books. And a few things that I pulled up on it look really sharp and clear, including the text and all the pictures. It's a very nice looking e-ink display, and I haven't used one in a long time, so it's kind of refreshing to use it. And then some other improvements include they're using two USB 3.1 Type-C ports, and also it has a fingerprint sensor now. And instead of having two different versions where one was Windows and one was Android like they did with the first one, now it's strictly a Windows 10 version that they're going to be selling. And Windows 10 runs very well on it because of the specs that have been bumped up since the first generation. So you're going to get some really decent specs that will allow this thing to be able to run, a lot of the core things that Windows 10 can do. And so the main reason why this device attracts me is just because it's very flexible. You can fold the display all the way back, and now you can use it like a traditional Windows 10 tablet. And it's just that it's a very small package that, unless you need to do some very heavy lifting, a lot of 4K video editing and things like that, this is a device that is going to be able to fit in a lot of different places for very light work and light productivity, but also too, it's going to be great for consuming entertainment. And so this new yoga book starts at $1,000 and it's going to start shipping in October. So stay tuned for more information about this. I'm going to try to get my hands on a review unit to really see what this thing is all about. But also leave your comment down below. Let me know what you think about this new yoga book. And also follow me on all my social media networks. Subscribe to me on YouTube. And like always, I do want to thank you for watching this video, and I will catch you later. Peace.